All right, hands and knees breathing. So we want to put some nice back expansion into Gina. So I'm going to ask her to try to tuck your bum a little bit and round up here. Perfect. Her spine is now flat as possible. Her neck is an extension of her spine. Her chin is tucked nicely. She has 90 degrees in the armpits and in the hips. The closer your knees are to your hands, the easier it will be, but depends on the stage of your pregnancy if you are able to do that. So maybe, Gina, I would ask you maybe to put your, yes, a little closer, curl up a little closer. Yes, and it will be easier. That will be maybe too much. Maybe, yes. And so on inhale, she will try to send her inhale down all the way to the pelvic floor. Pelvic floor relaxes. And then on exhale, she's going to try to contract her low abs here, lower transversus abdominis. And then on a subsequent inhale, she's going to hold the contraction and then inhale into my hands. Shall I repeat that, Gina? So first inhale is just a setup. You're gonna big inhale, you try to send it down if possible, down the pelvic floor. On exhale, you're going to squeeze into something that I forgot to give you. So on exhale, she starts slowly, like an elevator, squeezing from the knees down her up her thighs, inner thighs, slowly engaging the pelvic floor. So squeezing and lifting the pelvic floor, and then squeezing her low abs here. Everything on exhale. And then on inhale, subsequent inhale, she's gonna hold everything, all that, and then inhale in her back. So she's inhaling, perfect. And now squeezing, I can see that, yes. Belly lifting, perfect. And now hold it and inhale in my back. One more time. That was an inhale. Squeeze, 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 round up here. And hold it and inhale. Almost there. So what she wants to expand here. Here, everything here, they should go up and to the side. Let's go one more time, and I'm gonna lean over for you so you can feel my hands for feedback, okay? Inhale, perfect. Squeezing, to hold it, and inhale. A little bit better. Yeah, now even better. Inhale. Squeeze the block. Hold it. Perfect. Stop. Very good. So you'll be practicing this, trying to feel the lower abs, not so much the upper abs. When you see someone squeezing, like being squeezed like this will be upper ab grip. You know that. So we want the flat spine, not so much rounding in the upper back, but more rounding in the low back. And a long neck. We're not trying to sit down or, like a turtle, scrunch the shoulders. Okay, so relax. Thank you very much. Try this as much as you can, but just a little bit, so you get this mechanism and you can control all the time, like how your belly is contracting, and get some air in your back. Okay, thank you.